As you get started with this course, you'll want to get your local work environment set up so that it's easy for you to create and edit your web pages and also to view them in a web browser. I recommend installing Notepad++ to create and edit web pages and XAMPP so that you can easily view what your pages will look like and how they will behave in a web browser. Both of these applications are easy to install and easy to learn to use. Let's start by taking a look at XAMPP. So once you've run through the install process, you'll just find XAMPP in your Start menu, and then you'll choose the XAMPP control panel. This is what the control panel looks like, and you'll want to at least start the Apache web server, and if you're working with a database, you'll want to also start the MySQL server. After you install XAMPP, you'll notice that if you browse to your C drive and then choose the XAMPP folder, there'll be an htdocs folder, and this is the location where you'll want to store your web pages so that you can view them in a browser. I've created a folder for myself called Maria, and you can do the same on your state workstation. Notepad++ is also found in your Start menu, so you can open that just simply by clicking there. And this is what Notepad++ will look like. I've created a file, a web page, and I've placed it in the directory I just showed you, so I'm going to go to that location. So I'm going to the C drive, and then to XAMPP, to htdocs, and then to Maria. And I have a file here called index.html. So you can see I've already created this file here, and now I'm going to show you how to view pages to see how they look. So when we have the XAMPP server running, we can just type in 127.0.0.1. And then in this case, I'm going to look in my folder. And remember that I called my file index.html. This is what the file looks like. And so I didn't have to type in index.html because that file will automatically be launched when I go into the Maria folder. I could also have just typed in the name, but anyway, so this is a web page found in the student files. And so this is it's a nice tool to be able to see how your work is coming along. You can also just type in localhost if that's easier to remember, and it'll just lead me to this same page.